Hey guys, John here, 1984 Barbecue. Today, we're doing a collaboration video under the hashtag Sous Vide a Bird. Alright? Click on that hashtag after this video and that'll take you to all the other YouTubers that are in this collaboration. Also, I want to say, I'm going to put an iCard up above, over here, over there, wherever. For Never Trust a Skinny Chef Shane, he was also part of this with me. Me and him came up with this idea, more him than me. But anyways, y'all go check his channel out too. Anyways, guys, what I'm doing today is I'm going to be sous videing a turkey breast. Okay, bone-on turkey breast. Going to be sous videing it at around 140 or so. And then we're going to take it out to, I'm not sure which grill I want to go with yet, to give a little smoke flavor and give it that nice crispy skin, okay? Anyways, guys, let's get started. We got our turkey here. It's about 5-pound turkey breast. Skin is on. I have rinsed it and patted it dry. I know people flip out about rinsing it off, but that's why they make bleach in your sink. You can bleach your whole area of the sink. You move stuff around. So anyways, I'm off my tangent there. Anyways, here's the bird. Got skin on, about 5 pounds. Got me my vacuum seal bag, which it says Ziploc vacuum sealer, but I don't have that. I just got the bags for this because it's a gallon-sized bag, so this bird would fit. Going to be doing a little bit of seasoning with it tonight. A little Amazing Cajun. Haven't made products. So, go ahead, and I'm going to just give this bird a light seasoning here on top. Again, I'll flip him around and stuff off camera. Just kind of show you, just give it a nice little seasoning there like that. Alright, let me get this bird seasoned up on the inside, get the meat and everything, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we vacuum seal it up. Be right back. In our bag, and what I did is I went and got paper towel, and I cleaned the outside of that bag really good, okay? Now, we're going to place this bag in our vacuum sealer here. Alright, now what we're going to do is, I got mine set to moist, okay? So now we're going to hit vac and seal. Alright, it's sealing now. Alright, it says it's done, guys. Now what I do, and you can see the seals right there, but like Darren always says, double seal it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down here. I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to hit the seal again on it, guys. Alright, I'm going to make sure this bird is good and sealed off. That's it. Seal's done. There we go. See? We got a double seal here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but double sealed up, guys. Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get this over to the sous vide machine. See, I'm running mine at 143. I've seen some people say run at 140, some people say run it higher. I went by with recommendations from my machine that it come with. It said 143 to 145, and so that's what we're going to go with. And we're going to go with this for about 2 hours, maybe longer. I'm just going by the recommendations. We shall see, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get our turkey on in here. I may have to go get my my sous vide balls for this because I don't know if it's going to reach down in there like I want it to. All right, guys. I'm going to have to go get my sous vide balls that should hold this down. So I'm going to get those. Anyways, we got this in here, guys. We're going to let this go. I'll bring you back when we get ready to bring this back to you. We'll see you. I remember now. I got the balls in there, okay? But I also put a bowl, and the bowl is pushing the turkey breast down into the water, okay? So I got a bowl on top of it. I can look on the side and see that it's completely submerged under the water. So we're going to let this go, and then I'll bring you back when I decide which pit I want to use today, okay? It's kind of raining outside, guys. The weather got kind of crappy, so we'll see what we're going to do. I'll bring you back in shortly. All right, you guys, welcome back. We got the turkey breast out of the sous vide machine. It's been almost 5 hours. Now, what I'm doing is I got it out of the pack. I'm drying it off. Okay, a lot of our seasoning came off, which is kind of to be expected. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the thermal pin here, and I'm going to get a temperature on this bird. Okay, it's reading 140, which is, most of you know, that's not considered to be done. So, but if you leave it in there for so long, it's supposed to pasteurize this bird. So we've sous vide this bird for about 5 hours altogether. 4 hours, 5 hours, right around there, 4 or 5 hours. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, I've decided I'm going to go with the Weber kettle because I have a surprise for the Weber, and this is what's going to take this bird over the top. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I didn't spatchcock this bird like I should have. So I'm going to cut down in this breast bone here, like so. I'm trying to get it where it'll split a little bit. There we go. Kind of split open a tad. Bird's very juicy. It smells really good. Like I said, a lot of our rub came off of it. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to re-season this. I'm going to spray this skin down with a little bit of this, a little duck fat, and that's going to help it crisp it up on the Weber. I will bring you back when we're outside of the Weber and show you what we got going. Got our Vortex on here, and I got the what it usually is a warming rack. I am going to use this today because the way this breast is too big for that bottom piece. So I'm going to use this upper rack here. Put that on there just like that. We're going to keep a close eye on this, guys, because this Vortex gets hot. All right, so we're going to get this closed up. Wait, I forgot. We got to spray some duck fat on there. Hold on. All right. I'm going to hit this with a little bit of duck fat. All right. Got our duck fat on there. We're going to take our lid, close this up, let this go, and we'll bring you back here in a few minutes. And in about 5 or 10 minutes, I put some chunk of pecan and some cherry wood on here to get some smoke. All right, let's check this out, guys. Getting there. We're at 147. The deeper you get in the breast. 138. 142. We got a little ways to go, guys, but you can tell that skin starting to crispen up nicely. All right, guys, we'll check back in another 10 minutes. My card got full on me, so you didn't get to see me pull it off the Weber, but it's done. Okay, look at that. I mean, this thing is super juicy. It's been resting for a little bit. Let's cut into this real quick, guys, because it's dinner time, so I'll get this cut into. So we're going to come in here. We're going to cut into this breast right here. Very tender, guys. Pulls right apart. Still got a lot of juice in it. It's not dry. Alright, guys, I'm going to get this cut up for my family, and I'll bring you back for the taste test, okay? I'm going to do a taste test now. Here's our Sous Vide Vortex turkey breast. Okay. So, okay, to be honest, it's good. The turkey is good. Um, the moisture's there. Now, I will say that once I pulled it out of the sous vide bag, the moisture was a little bit more, and then I vortexed it, and the juice was just flowing, and I let it rest. Okay. Um, the skin, and I got a little piece of the skin here. The skin, it did not crisp up for nothing. Even with the Vortex, which usually the Vortex usually crisps up skin really nice, and this time it didn't do it. Okay, so anyways, a quick review of what we did. We had about a 5-pound turkey. We took it and we dried it off, rinsed it off, dried it, put some Amazing Cajun from Heaven Made Products on there, put it in our sous vide bag or food saver bag, put it in, got it sealed up, vacuumed out. Then we took it and put it in the sous vide machine for 4 hours at 143, pulled it out, patted it dry, applied more seasoning. I cracked the breastbone because it started to float in the bag because of the void there, so I should have cracked it first to start with. Got it out there on the Vortex, trying to get that skin crispy. Got this in here, it was very juicy. I cut into it. It's good. It's got a good grill flavor. It has a little bit of smoke to it. But all in all, guys, I'm not that satisfied with this cook. I think it could be better. So, anyways, hey, you know what? I gave it a shot. Didn't turn out the way I wanted it. But it's still very good. And we're getting ready to eat. If you're a new subscriber, think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification. Let us know when I release new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you coming back. You know it. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Remember, hit that hashtag sous vide a bird. See what everybody else is doing, how theirs turned out. Y'all have a good night. We'll catch you on the next one.